The disturbing history of Anchor Convention has left financial backers negative over its local ANC token, with it as of late going as far as its unequaled low ANC. The digital money of land's lead decentralized finance stage, Anchor Convention, crashed toward the beginning of May after the depegging of the algorithmic stablecoin Terra USD. There has likewise been vulnerability over the eventual fate of ANC since land forked into another chain without its fallen stablecoin. Land's arrangement to leave out USD from its new chain has brought up issues about the practicality of the Anchor Convention, whose principal offering was its close to 20% interest returns on USD stores. True to form, the cost of ANC has battled since the breakdown of land and was down 39% throughout the last month. At the hour of composing, what is Anchor Convention and its local token ANC? Anchor is a reserve funds convention based on the land blockchain. That means to offer low unpredictable yields on USD stores. The stage was sent off by Terraform Labs on 17 Walk 2021. Anchor token is the convention's local and administration token. Tokens can be kept to make new administration surveys, which can be decided on by clients marking ANC. ANC tokens are likewise given to remunerate borrowers. Anchor's site said, ANC is intended to catch a piece of Anchor's yield, permitting its worth to scale straightly with Anchor's resources under administration. How really does more convention work? As per its site, individuals can acquire USD by utilizing cryptographic forms of money like Luna and ETH as insurance. Anchor Convention is additionally intended to offer returns as high as 20% to moneylenders or contributors on their USD stores. Anchor Convention's market-beating USD store returns pulled in yield pursuing financial backers, as absolute worth locked on the convention rose to more than $17 billion by early May 2022, information from DeFi Llama showed. Anchor Convention immediately arose as a top DeFi stage in the blockchain area, as far as TVL, close by any semblance of the Ethereum-based conventions OV and BEND in 2022. Breakdown of land, as USD began depegging between the 7th of May and the 8th of May, Anchor Convention saw its stores drop around 20% in the range of 2 days. Capital departure from land's biological system resulted while USD, Luna and ANC costs crashed in the days that followed. When the residue settled, TVL on Anchor Convention had sunk from a record-breaking high of $17.15 billion on the 5th of May to underneath $30 M on the 31st of May. Today, land has hard forked into another chain without USD. Anchor Convention's future looks hopeless. The reserve funds convention's reliance on USD for its getting and loaning activities makes the once flourishing stage in danger of being avoided with regards to Land 2.0's arrangement. How ward is Anchor Convention on land's algorithmic stablecoin? USD. Weeks before the accident, 72% of USD saw outflowing stockpile. Then, at that point, worth about $13.15 billion, was secured in the Anchor Convention alone. Besides, Anchor Convention's high stablecoin yields were simply open to USD stores. What does Land 2.0 mean for Anchor Convention? After the breakdown of the algorithmic stablecoin USD, Land was in a limbo as financial backer trust in the environment hit absolute bottom. Land's local token, Luna, which once sat among the best 10 most important digital forms of money, drooped over 99.9% from its record high of $119.18, hit in April 2022, to exchange at about 8 cents, starting around the 31st of October. On the 26th of May, Land's People Group passed the Land Biological System Recovery Proposition, with 65.5% of members casting a ballot to make a new blockchain without USD. As indicated by the arrangement, the new chain will be called Land, while the old chain will be known as Land Exemplary. New LUNA2 tokens will be airdropped to Luna Exemplary stakers, Luna Exemplary holders, and USD holders. The arrangement likewise put out a rundown of fundamental applications whose designers would get financing and backing for expanding on Land's new chain. Anchor Convention was not referenced in that frame of mind of fundamental applications that should exist in any Internet 3.0 biological system to be feasible. Clients on Anchor Convention's true discussion then grumbled about its site not working and being not able to pull out their collateralized resources. A few voiced worries about Anchor Convention's client care, many addressed in the event that Anchor Convention will exist on the new Land chain. A client named Sabri inquired, will $ANC token and more convention relocate to Luna 2.0? Client SICE wrote in a similar string, same inquiry here, and I can't track down any response. Anchor Convention has not put out any report with respect to its future on its site and on Twitter. It tweeted on the 8th of June that the local area passed a proposition to freeze the stage's procure and get capabilities, saying, Anchor has been a backbone on Land all along and numerous locally need it to live on. The choices around its future are overall truly bantered locally, so ensure your voice is heard. Ongoing news. The FTX digital currency trade declared on the 6th of September that it was delisting ANC from its foundation. The token was eliminated from its spot and future business sectors on the 12th of September, with stores and withdrawals additionally being suspended. It curiously mobilized after this declaration and arrived at a high of 21 cents on the 10th of September. Be that as it may, it before long dropped from this high and tumbled to a 7 cents on the 21st of October. There was all the more awful press for the Anchor convention. The legal director Hodma, the bankrupt cryptographic money loan specialist, said it had lost $189.70 due to its openness to land through Anchor convention. Hodna had a critical sum of assets in lands as stablecoin, with an enormous number of it marked on the Anchor convention, incapable to get away from the negative pattern. ANC has as of late gone as far as its unsurpassed low of 4 cents on the 9th of November. This followed the more extensive crypto crash after FTX reported its insolvency. While Anchor convention has recuperated somewhat, it has been exchanging sideways as of late. Starting around the 29th of November, the digital currency was exchanging at 5 cents and was down 39% throughout the last month. Anchor convention cost expectations for 2022, 2025, and 2030. Starting around the 29th of November, transient ANC crypto cost expectations saw the token falling by 35% to an objective cost of 3 cents on the 29th of December. CoinCodex said that specialized pointers showed feeling for NC was negative, with 22 markers showing negative signs and just 2 markers showing bullish sign, while the apprehension and eagerness record designated dread among ANC financial backers. Anchor convention cost expectation for 2023 anticipated ANC USD to have tumbled to $0 a year. Its 5-year ANC cost expectation proposed the token could dive to a typical cost of $0 November 2027. ANC cost forecast proposed that the coin could move back to a typical cost of 5 cents in 2022. Its more extended term estimate was bullish, with its Anchor convention cost expectation for 2025 giving a normal cost of 17 cents. ANC crypto cost expectation anticipated that a NC should exchange at a typical cost of 6 cents in 2022. Its expected consistent development for the digital money. The site's Anchor convention cost expectation for 2030 gave a typical cost of 73 cents. While taking a gander at a NC coin cost expectations, you ought to recollect that cryptographic money markets are extremely unpredictable. Calculation-based estimates and experts' assumptions depend on past execution, which never ensures future outcomes. Expectations can be off base and change very quickly. You ought to do your own examination, construct your own standpoint for NC and base your choice to exchange as per your gamble resilience and exchanging objectives. What's more, never exchange cash you can't bear to lose. Starting around the 29th of November, ANC had lost over the vast majority of its worth year to date on the rear of land's breakdown in May 2022. It is yet to be seen what's on the horizon for the token. You ought to do your own examination and base your choice to exchange ANC as per your gamble resistance. What's more, never exchange cash you can't stand to lose. In unpredictable cryptographic money markets, it is vital to do your own exploration on a coin or token to decide whether it is ideal for your speculation portfolio. Whether the ANC token